As a manufacturer with a laboratory accredited by UL, VDE, and CNAS, DEGSON currently holds 10 UL certifications covering more than 4,000 product models and 178 VDE certifications covering more than 3,000 models. You might be wondering, what does this laboratory actually look like and what core technologies are hidden inside? Today, let's step inside the DEGSON Laboratory Center and find out. As you can see, behind me is the DEGSON Laboratory Center, equipped with nearly 100 sites of high-precision testing equipment. The laboratory covers more than 10 test categories, including electrical, material, environmental, mechanical, and ingress protection, delivering comprehensive testing across the entire product lifecycle. But you might not realize how thoroughly a product is tested before it reaches a customer. So follow me, let's take an immersive tour. We first arrive at the electrical testing area. The laboratory features professional equipment, including insulation resistance testers and DC impulse power supplies. These machines test core electrical performance such as insulation, current resistance, and temperature rise. Look at this DC impulse power supply. It can release a massive 6,000 amps current in milliseconds. This simulates short circuits, high voltage, and full load conditions to check product performance from all angles. It ensures products maintain excellent electrical safety. Even in extreme environments, they will not break down, burn, nor age. What happens if products are exposed to fire or extreme high temperatures? Let's take a look. The laboratory ran a needle flame test from 100 degrees Celsius to 7,000 degrees Celsius, rigorously verifying material flame retardancy. Then the glow wear test applies contact at 850 degrees Celsius, ensuring that the product self-extinguishes within 30 seconds after the heat source is removed and never reignites. In addition, the checking index test puts the product under 100 voltage to 600 voltage, simulating damp, contaminated, and left environments. This ensures no conductive path forms on the surface, preventing short circuits, arcing, or fire. These three tests thoroughly verify the product's excellent flame retardancy and checking resistance, eliminating the fire risk at the source. Industrial equipment constantly faces extreme climates worldwide. How do our products survive these harsh environments? The laboratory features nearly 20 specialized chambers for temperature cycling, thermal shock, and humidity testing, covering a full range of harsh environmental simulations. Products endure hundreds of thermal cycles from minus 70 degrees Celsius to plus 150 degrees Celsius, preventing material cracking and structural deformation. Accelerated aging tests run from 48 to 1,000 hours, even under 10% to 98% RH or intense salt spray. DEGSON products ensure long-term reliability and stable performance. When a robotic arm moves continuously or a real transit vehicle vibrates violently, will the connector loosen or suffer from poor contact? The laboratory conducts comprehensive mechanical tests, including insertion and withdrawal force, tensile strength, vibration resistance, and mechanical life. Even after dozens to tens of thousands of mating cycles, the products still run reliably and durably. Furthermore, to handle risks like power surges, arcing, and outdoor extreme conditions such as heavy rain, dust, and fire, our laboratory conducts comprehensive IP rating verification with waterproof testing equipment, rain spray devices, and dust chambers and vertical-horizontal flammability testers. This ensures the product interior stays perfectly clean and dry, with protection performance meeting all standards. Beyond the equipment, the DEGSON Laboratory Center follows a strict standardized testing process. The workflow is highly rigorous, from sample logging and environmental monitoring to test data collection and multi-level report reviews. Every step is fully digitalized and traceable, ensuring that every test report is objective, authentic, scientific, and fair. It is worth mentioning that DEGSON is not only accredited as a CNAS national laboratory, but but also fully implements ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 management systems. We have even surpassed the ultra-high entry barriers of the automotive industry with IATF 16949 and the rail transit industry with ISO TS 22163. DEGSON defines every product with high standards, empowering every delivery with a complete and reliable system. Okay, that's all for today's introduction. See you then.